Today we want to show you a few simple ways you can work hard on your jewellery wire. The reason you do this is to strengthen the wire so it keeps its shape better. This is great for things like ear wires and hoops, which we'll show you in this video. So we're just going to cut off a piece of soft wire, and as you can see it's really easy to bend out of shape, but we want to change that. So the first thing we're going to do is use these nylon jaw pliers and simply pull the wire between the jaws multiple times until it feels nice and hard. You can also use these to squeeze your designs just like we are doing on this hoop to add some strength. Alternatively, use a cloth using the same technique, but this is going to take a little bit longer than it would with the pliers. Next up, place your wire between the tips of 2 flat nose or snake nose pliers and twist. This is a nice simple way to harden your wire and great for things like bead bar necklaces to ensure they don't bend out of shape. Next we have a steel block, a chasing hammer and a rawhide mallet. Here I've got an ear wire, and what we're going to do is grab this rawhide mallet and gently tap it until it hardens. Then we're just going to add these lovely wire wrapped Amazonite briolets to complete the design. This is a hoop that we've also work hardened using a rawhide mallet. Alternatively, you could use a chasing hammer, which will flatten your design slightly as well as strengthen it. You can also use the round end to achieve a lovely hammered effect just like this hoop. We hope you found this video helpful. You can buy all the tools and supplies featured on the Kernowcraft website. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!